The brain is a complex organ that controls thought, memory, emotion, touch, motor skills, vision, breathing, temperature, hunger, and every process that regulates our body. The brain weighs about 3 pounds in the average adult and is composed of 60% fat, along with water, protein, carbohydrates, and salts. Gray matter and white matter are two different regions of the central nervous system. In the brain, gray matter refers to the darker, outer portion, while white matter describes the lighter, inner section underneath. In the spinal cord, the order is reversed, with white matter on the outside and gray matter within. Gray matter consists of neuron somas, while white matter is mostly made of axons wrapped in myelin. Gray matter is responsible for processing and interpreting information, while white matter transmits that information to other parts of the nervous system. The brain sends and receives chemical and electrical signals throughout the body, interpreting different signals that control various processes. Some signals make you feel tired, while others make you feel pain. Pons, named after the Latin word for bridge, connects the midbrain and the medulla. The medulla, located at the bottom of the brainstem, regulates vital bodily activities such as heart rhythm, breathing, and blood flow. It also produces reflexive activities like sneezing, vomiting, coughing, and swallowing. The spinal cord extends from the bottom of the medulla and carries messages to and from the brain and the rest of the body. The cerebellum, often referred to as the little brain, coordinates voluntary muscle movements and maintains posture, balance, and equilibrium. Recent studies are exploring the cerebellum's involvement in thought, emotions, social behavior, addiction, autism, and schizophrenia. The brain and spinal cord are protected by 3 layers of coverings called meninges. The outermost layer is the dura mater, which is thick and tough, and consists of 2 layers. The periosteal layer of the dura mater lines the inner dome of the skull, while the meningeal layer is below it. Spaces between the layers allow for the passage of veins and arteries that supply blood flow to the brain. The arachnoid mater is a thin, web-like layer of connective tissue without nerves or blood vessels. Below the arachnoid mater is the cerebrospinal fluid, which cushions the entire central nervous system. The cerebrospinal fluid continually circulates around the brain and spinal cord to remove impurities. The pia mater is a thin membrane that hugs the surface of the brain and follows its contours. The pia mater is rich with veins and arteries, providing necessary blood supply to the brain. The frontal lobe, located in the front of the head, is involved in personality characteristics, decision-making, and movement. The parietal lobe helps identify objects and understand spatial relationships. It also interprets pain and touch in the body. The occipital lobe, located at the back of the brain, is involved with vision. The temporal lobes, located on the sides of the brain, are involved in short-term memory, speech, musical rhythm, and some degree of smell recognition.